asked about a very insignificant percentage of alcohol, whether it's brandy or whatever name, it doesn't matter, alcohol, okay, in the food, in the chocolate, in the ice cream. Fact number one, as a Muslim, it is haram to add any alcohol to any food, whether the marination or the final process, or while cooking or on the steaks on fire. It's absolutely haram. One word. Even if the percentage is 1%, it doesn't matter, because it's haram to buy it, it's haram to use it, it's haram to sell it. But the second part of the question is, what if it is not me who has prepared the food? You know, all the chocolate, all the medication, all the cake that we buy, they have an insignificant amount of alcohol. If this is the case, it's permissible to consume it. So there is a difference between me as a Muslim person cooking at home or in my restaurant or in my little factory. So I add a small percentage of alcohol that is absolutely forbidden. No difference between a small percentage or a large volume or a huge percentage. But since we are consumers and we go to the market and this is what we have, so it's permissible to use it because it will not cause you to be intoxicated. Obviously, if on the shelf I see different chocolates, cakes, biscuits, and this particular one has alcohol, even 3%, and the rest doesn't, so I would resort to the one which is alcohol-free, of course.